would the world look like without microchips? This is your chance to be part of a company that's a part of everything. ASML is an engineering powerhouse. We develop, manufacture and service lithography machines that enable microchips to be more powerful, faster and energy efficient. Across the globe, thousands of ASML customer support engineers provide our clients with on- and off-site services. Central Services enables customer support to continuously deliver great service by working in smart, innovative and collaborative ways. At Central Services, you get the chance to develop training programs and train customer support engineers around the globe. Achieve operational excellence to continuously improve our service business. And deliver breakthrough programs that advance our capabilities and increase customer value. Within this challenging work environment, your personal development is one of our priorities. We offer plenty of opportunities for growth and encourage you to draw your own career path within ASML. Are you motivated to make a global impact and improve our service business? Do you value teamwork as much as we do? Then Central Services might be a perfect fit for you. Are you ready to be part of progress?